At Santa Monica Seafood, we deliver the freshest, highest quality seafood right to your door. Our experts hand prepare each order, guaranteeing its quality and freshness every time. Imagine cooking delicious meals at home using the very same hand-curated, top-of-the-line products that you've seen at your favorite restaurant. And of course, at our Santa Monica Seafood cafes and markets. Each of our specially designed insulated shipping boxes comes packed with dry ice. Depending how far we travel, the dry ice may have dissipated upon arrival. Frozen and individually wrapped, each order is just waiting for you to prepare. The dinner party. Create an elegant dinner in your home with two of the world's most sought-after seafood choices, Chilean sea bass and lobster tails. You'll receive 4 generous cuts of pre-portioned, skinless and boneless Chilean sea bass. This world-renowned favorite is known for its rich, moist meat and buttery flavor that simply melts in your mouth. And why not pair it with a delicious collection of 4 beautiful cold-water North Atlantic lobster tails? These treasures of the sea can be broiled, baked, or grilled to perfection. You simply can't go wrong. This dynamic duo provides a great source of protein and is rich in omega-3s, perfect for a romantic evening or memorable family celebration. Seafood has long been a staple ingredient in heart-healthy, lean recipes. No kitchen is complete without Atlantic salmon. Delicious, highly nutritious, with a rich, robust flavor. Unpack 4 generous pre-portioned packets along with 2 versatile ahi tuna steaks. These thick-portioned tuna steaks will be the envy of your friends. We've also included 2 hearty swordfish steaks. Each is individually hand-packed, ready to use, a great portion size, and excellent for sandwiches or whatever your creative connoisseur mind can create. We've individually packed 8 perfect portions just for you. These fantastic products are excellent on the grill and just waiting for your favorite marinades and sauces. For those who like to go a little wild, discover the fresh flavors of our fantastic wild-caught products, freshly packed and ready to go. Stay on the wild side as we travel south for the versatile mahi-mahi. With its firm texture and mild flavor, our 2 generously sized portions of mahi-mahi are always a chef favorite. Straight from the ice-cold waters of Alaska is the gorgeous coho salmon, also known as silver salmon. These 2 generous cuts have a complex flavor and rich color. It's a best choice, as rated by the renowned Monterey Bay Aquarium. Another Alaskan superstar is the beautiful halibut. 2 hand-selected portions of light, flaky texture, mild and rich in flavor. Halibut is always a fan favorite. It pairs well with flavorful sauces, or try it with an orange jelly glaze with pineapple salsa. Our customers have spoken and we listened. Our top sellers are both featured here. First, 4 individually packed, protein-rich, delicious Atlantic salmon portions. These versatile 6-ounce skinless portions are pan or grill ready. Packed with omega-3s, we've also included tail-on shrimp. Radiant, plump, and bursting with flavor, this 2-pound bag is filled with succulent tail-on prawns. Grill them, poach them, sauté them, bake them, or try them with our famous Santa Monica seafood sauces. These shrimp are not only delicious, they're also a great source of selenium, calcium, and iodine. Its firm texture and mild flavor make these prawns exceptionally versatile. To learn more and order your own Santa Monica Seafood Express box, go to our website at smseafood.com, where you'll discover even more exciting details and recipes for the whole family. Santa Monica Seafood Express, for the highest quality seafood products at fair and reasonable prices. Santa Monica Seafood Express. Order yours today.